Hello children, welcome to online mathematics class. Today we are in our 4th class mathematics class with the topic large numbers. Till our 3rd standard we have learned numbers up to 4 digits, that is till thousands, hundreds, tens, hundreds and thousands. So today we are going to learn numbers which are bigger than thousands, that is 10,000s. So before going to our topic, what is the biggest 4-digit number? 9,999. And smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. So we have learned numbers from 1000 to 9,999. So today we are going to learn numbers that are greater than 9,999. So to obtain a new number, what do? We always obtain a new number by adding 1 to the existing number. So our last number is 9,999. So to get a new number, let us add 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10, and here also it is 10, and here also 9 plus 1 is 10, and here also 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is our new number which we have obtained. How many digits are there in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. So far we have learned only 4 digits. So this is our first number which has 5 digits, and we call this as 10,000. What do we call? We call it as 10,000. So after 10,000, how do we write the numbers? In the same manner as we did for thousands. How do we write the 1000 numbers? 1001, 1002, 1003 and so on. In the same manner, 10,000 also you write in the same manner. 10,000. Okay, 10,001, 10,002 and so on. So until 10,009. So how do you write 10,010? You have to, till 9, these are only 1-digit numbers. So we have replaced the last number, but 10 is 2-digit number. So how do you write? You have to replace the last 2 digits. So this is 10,010. In this manner, we can write numbers till 10,011, 10,012, 10,013 and 10,100. In this manner, we can write 10,011, 10,012, 10,013 and so on till 10,099. So how do you write 10,100? So far we have learned 1 digits we have replaced 1's place, 2 digits we have replaced last 2 digits, and 3 digits we have to replace these 3 digits, that is 10,100. In this manner we can write numbers up to 20,000. 20,000. How do you write 20,000? After 10,100, you can write numbers till 200. Yes or no? Let us increase the numbers by 100. That is 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900. After 900, you have to replace 4 numbers. That is, after 900 we get 1000 if we increase by 100. So 4 digits. After 1000 also, if you want to write 20,000, you have to replace 5 digits also. So 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 and so on. The largest 5-digit number will be the 99,999. So the first 5-digit number will be 10,000 and the last 5-digit number will be 99,999. 99. So where is this number placed in our place value chart? So the place value chart is this, where we write ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and okay, 10,000s. So this is, sorry, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So our place value chart is divided into 3 periods, that is these 3 come under ones period. These 3 come under ones period and these thousands and 10,000s come under thousands period. This is very important, Nana. This is the place value chart. Whatever numbers we are going to learn in 10,000s, we are going to place the number in this place value chart. We are going to learn expanded form. So always remember ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Whenever the digit is increased, the increasing will be on the left side but not on the right side. So let us see an example of a 5-digit number on the abacus tool. You all know abacus is a simple mathematics tool where we use it for representing the number or for counting of the numbers. So this is an abacus. Now we are dealing with 5-digit numbers. So take 5 spikes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the number given in our textbook? So our number given in our textbook is 31209. So 31209. How do we read it? 31,209. So according to Indian number system, we have to put a comma here after ones period, that is after hundreds we have to put a comma here and we read it as 31,209. And how do we represent it in the abacus scale? Before representing it in the abacus scale, first of all you write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So simply representing on the abacus scale is nothing but writing this number in the form of beads. For example, there is 9 in the ones place. So you have to draw 9 beads on ones place. So 9. Next 0 in tens place. So you don't need to draw anything in tens place. And 2. So draw 2 beads in hundreds place. And 1 in thousands place. And 3 in 10,000s place. 1, 2, 3. So in this way we represent a number on the abacus scale. And it is also easy for us to write a number when it is represented on the abacus scale. How we can write the number? Write down the place values, count the number of bits and put the number downside. So in that manner we can form a number. So now all of you open your textbooks, page number 9. So page number 9. So now we have learned till 5 digits and 6 digit numbers. How do we form a new 6-digit number? As we have formed the 5-digit numbers, that is by adding 1 to the last 5-digit number. So this is our last 5-digit number and the biggest 5-digit number, 99,999 plus 1 is so this is what we get the result, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number, the first 6-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. So what do we call this number? we call this number as lakh. We call this number as lakh, and according to our Indian number system, we differentiate as ones period, thousands and 10,000s period, and after 10,000 we put a comma. So, in the place value chart also we have wrote till 10,000. So, on the left side we make one more column and we write the lakhs. So, this is how we represent the lakh. Now, let us take an example and represent the number lakhs number on the abacus scale. So, before just now we have took an abacus of 5 sticks. Why? Because we are talking about 5 digit numbers, that is 10,000 numbers. So, now when we are talking about lakhs, we are talking about 6 digit numbers. So, let us take an abacus of 6 spikes. We need 6 spikes to represent 6 place values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we need one more spike, that is here. So, write the place values first. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and after 10,000 comes lakhs. Lakhs place. So, the number given in our textbook is 206,153. So, here also we just name it ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 351602. So, how do we read this number? We read it as 2,06,153. So, how can we represent it on the abacus? Just by putting the number of beads in its place. So, in ones place there is 3. So, put the 3 beads here, and in tens place 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads, and in hundreds place 1. Only one bead is there. Just put 1, and in thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is 6, no? Yes, 6. And in 10,000s place, no, 0 is there. You don't need to represent any bead. And in lakhs, 2 beads are there. So, 2 beads. So, this is how we represent on the abacus scale. All of you turn page number 10. Turn on to the page number 10. Here we have an exercise. What is the exercise? Same thing. Abacus scale is given. We have to write number. And in the second question, we have to write the number names. Number names is very easy. For your clarity, I will explain one example from exercise. So, now this is exercise number 1.1, page number 10. First question A. So, the number given we have to write 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the given example. If I am not wrong, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, correct. So, this is the abacus scale given. Now, we have to write the number. How do we write the number? Ones place, 1, 2, 3. 3 is there in the ones place, and in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 here and 1 here and 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 here. So what is the number that is represented on the abacus scale? 84,173 is the number that is represented on the abacus scale. So in this manner you have a abacus scale of lakhs and 10,000 too for your exercise purpose. Solve all the abacus pictures and write the number below. Then next question. What is the next question? Write each number in words. Very simple thing. You have been learning from your UKGs also. How do you write the number name? 34,211. So how do you write? In words. That means you have to write spelling of the number we are reading. 34,211. Don't write 34,211. This is wrong, Nana. Writing this way in words is wrong. If you are asked to write in words, that means you should not use any number, neither 34 nor 2. You should write the number, entire number in words only, that is in spelling only. So how do you write the word names? 34,211. So remaining examples is your practice purpose. And the third question is also very simple. 12,406. 12,406. How do you write? How do you write in number? He has given you the word. He has given you in the words, that is number name. 12,406. There is no tens place here. So 12,406 you have to write like this. So remaining problems are also same. 83,692. 83,692. How do you write it? You write it as 83,692. So in this manner, do the remaining word problems, change them into numbers. Next, coming to page number 11. Page number 11, what is given? He has given you numbers. He has given you numbers and he is asking to write the number properly. What he has given? He has given you 4 hundreds, 9 10,000s, okay, and 5 thousands and 1 tens. So how do you write? The easy method is draw the place value chart. No confusion, easy to write. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. So what is the given data here? 4 hundreds. So you write 4 in hundreds place. 4. Okay. 9 10,000s. Okay. 9 10,000s. 5 thousands. 5 thousands. And 1 tens. That means 1 tens. 1 in tens place. And what about ones? He did not give. So what we have to do? Put a 0. So what it has become? It has become 95,410. Observe one thing. If the number is given in 10,000s, that means the number should be compulsory of 5 digits. So if any data is not provided, if hundreds is not provided or tens is not provided, whatever the number is not provided, you just write down the 0 in that place. So the second example I want you to do, that is also very easy. Draw a place value chart and substitute the values, you will get the number. Now, how do we count the place values. Counting of place values is also very easy. How do we count the place values? Let us take an example that is given in the textbook and understand it clearly. 6, 2, 3, 5, 9. So, what it is? Ones place. Ones means what is the value of 9? 9 into 1. It is in ones place means multiply with 1, that is 9 into 1 is 9. This is in tens place. So, multiply with 10. 9 into 10, 9, sorry 5. 5 is in tens place. So, multiply with in 10. 5 into 10, 50. And 3 is in hundreds place. 3 into 100, 300. And 2 into 2 is in which place? Thousands place. 1000 equal to 2000. And 6 into 10,000, that is 60,000. So, what is the number given here? 62,359. So, this is the place exact value of the number. 3 is in hundreds place, that means 3 just does not denote only 3, it denotes 300. So, this is also the expansion form of number. 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 9. This gives the number 62,359. In this manner only we write the expanded form of the number. So, if the exercise problems are given on this topic, you just write the place values of the number and multiply according to it. If the place value is in 2, multiply with, if the place value is in tens, multiply with 10. If it is in hundreds, multiply with 100. If it is in thousands, multiply with thousands. If it is in 10,000s, multiply it with 10,000s. So, now turn the page all of you. Yes, turn the page, and as I told you, expanded form of the numbers. So, how do we write the expanded form of the numbers? 86, 942. How do we write expanded form? I told you already, 80,000. So, how many? 8. After 8, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. So, put 4 digits. 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 2. Okay. 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 2. Even if you add this number, you will get the same result. So, what about the number in lakhs? Lakhs also same process. 4 lakhs 89,324. So, you know how to put the commas in according to our Indian number system. I have told you earlier, again I am repeating. After hundreds, put a comma. After thousands and 10,000s, put a comma. This is a special thing in our Indian number system. In your higher classes, you will be learning about international number system. Then you will know the importance of putting comma here. So, how do we expand this? Very simple. After 4, how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. So, put 5 zeros here. And 8, 4 zeros. And 9, 3 zeros. And here 2 zeros. And this is way. So, if you have any doubt, if you have any confusion, there is one more method, that is just draw the place value chart, know the value and write it. So, here ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place and lakhs place. So, lakhs place, lakhs is a 6-digit number. So, how do you write 4 lakhs? So we write like this, and 8 is in 10,000s place. That means 8 10,000s. That means 80,000. So how do you write 80,000? And 9,000. 9,000s. So 9,000s. 320. 2 tens, that is 20, and 4 in ones place. So this is expanded form. Now look down in the exercise 1.2, we are given problems. We are given the exercise on finding out the place values and make the place value chart for the following, and sum of the place values of 3. Wow, very nice and very interesting questions. First question, write the place value of the colored digit in each of the following numbers. So you can see in the textbook 17,630. 17,630. 6 is given in pink color. So what is he telling? He is telling highlighted number should be, highlighted numbers place value should be written. How can we write the place value? By drawing the place value chart. That is putting a box, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Otherwise count here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So here the 6 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 6? It is in hundreds place. 6 is in hundreds place. In the same manner, remaining examples I want you to do. Then coming to the second question, make the place value chart for the following numbers. So make the place value chart. He is asking us to make the place value chart. That is also very important and very easy. Second question, I wanted to solve the last problem because it is big in number, so that you will understand it more. That is D bit I am doing. 1,54,347. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place and lakhs place. This is the place value chart, and put the values here 7, 4, 3, 4, 5 and 1. So in the same manner, do the remaining 3 examples. Drawing a place value chart is this thing. And coming to the third question, find the sum of the place values of 3 in each of the following. So I am doing here, what is he asking? Number 3 is repeated 2 times in the given number. He is asking us to write the sum of the place values. First of all, write down the place values and write the sum. So to do that, the best way is write the expanded form of the number and add the value. For example, let us do third bit. Third bit is of 5 digits. So I wanted to solve it for your clarity. Third bit is 33,265. So what is he asking? Not the sum of these 2 3's. He is asking the sum of the place values. What is the place value of this 3 and this 3? This is in 10,000s place and this is in thousands place. So first of all, write it. How do you write the place values? Value, you write it by multiplying with the place value. That is 5 into 1 is 5. 6 into 10, because it is in tens place, 60, and 2 into 100 is 200, and 3 is in which place now? Thousands place. So 3000, and this 3 is in which place? 10,000s place. 3 into 10,000. Is it visible, children? Are you able to see this? Yes, are you able to see this? Yes, 30,000. So, 30,000 and 3,000 is the place value of those threes. So, what is he asking? Sum of the place values. What is the sum of the place values? Add those two values, that is 30,000 and 3,000. That 33,000. 33,000 is the place value sum of the two threes here. In the same manner, other three examples also, he is asking us to find out the sum of the place values of 3. In every number there are two threes. First of all, write down the values. First of all, write it in this expanded form and then add the two threes values. Okay. Now, next fourth question. What is fourth question? Find the difference of the place values of 6 in each of the following. So, in the above question, he has asked us to write the sum, that is addition of the 3. Now, he is asking us to write the difference of the digit 6 in given numbers. So, what is the given number? A bit, I am doing A bit, 6,326. 6,326. So, this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So, write the expanded form. 6,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. So, here 6,000 and here it is 6. So, 6,000 minus 6. What is 6,000 minus 6? 6,000 minus 6 is 4, 9, 9 and 5. So, what is the answer? 5,994 is the difference of two 6's place value. So, other three examples are also very simple. First of all, write down the expanded form and then do the subtraction. Do the subtraction of the numbers. And the next question is page number 13, expanded form of the following numbers. You can write the expanded form. Just now I have shown it. 30,829. So, write 30,000 plus 0, 0, 0. Thousands place, write 4 zeros and 800. 8 2 zeros and plus 20 plus 9. So, that is the expanded form. And writing expanded form in the numeral form. What is he given? Sixth question. 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 200 plus 20 plus 1. So, what does it become? It becomes 34,621. So, this is changing expanded form into standard form. Now, coming to the seventh question. What is there in seventh question? He has given you the number and he has given you some boxes. You have to write how many 10,000s are there, how many thousands are there, how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there, how many ones are there. It is also just like expanded form, just you have to write the digit instead of zeros. Now, so hope you have understood 6-digit numbers and 5-digit numbers and also the expanded form. So, comparison of numbers and the remaining topics let us see in the next class. Until then, thank you all.